It is very good. Actually, the staff members and the Kankan sir is specially very friendly and explains me in a very lucid manner. And I had a very good experience, and everyone is very cooperative here. So thank you, Max Media. I have learned that how to do photography. First, from zero, sir has made me to very much up level, and I have learned where to position the objects, how to adjust the lightings, and many more settings of the camera, and how to take good photos. I would explore more things about photography and master what sir has taught me now, and then I would take good photos. From the first day, I was much shy, but everyone encouraged me, and first they taught me what is camera and what is photography actually, and then they taught me that what are different exposures and what is different things like composition and many more. And I also learned practical. We had much fun sessions every day with practical and theory both, and we also learned how our eyes work, how cameras work, what is the difference between mirrorless and DSLR cameras, and what is aperture and shutter speed and ISO. And I learned what is white balance and flash and many more things. I would like to thank Max Media for everything they have given me. Thank you, Max Media.